Okay guys, so this is like literally walking in to their room, and this is Jayden's side of the bed. So I'm gonna start off with this canvas here. I bought this canvas at Hobby Lobby for $30, I think it was. So here it just says the game is on, and then down here he just has his own little thing going on, which I do not approve, but for now I'm gonna leave it there. He has his Buzz Lightyear here, his TK pictures, his Paw Patrol alarm for school, and then he has little Ivan here and Coco. Over here I have no idea who that is, and then here is him again. And then if you're Mexican, obviously you know who that is, El Chavo. Also he has his Cowboys hat here, and then here he has this dresser, and it looks darker on camera, but it's not black. It's like a, I don't know, brown, dark brown, but not that dark. But anyways, this is where he puts his clothes and stuff, his shirts and pants and shorts, and you know, everything else. Down here I bought this like dividers at Kia, and here's where he has his pajamas, socks, and boxers. So that was very convenient since they won't be all over the freaking drawer. I bought this dresser at Target for $120, if I'm not mistaken. I'll link it down below. Maybe you guys, if you guys want to check it out, you guys can. And then moving on to this side, here you have soccer, baseball, basketball, and football. We were going for the sports kind of theme. That's why we have all this going on. And all of that you see here, I bought them at Hobby Lobby. And I want to say each canvas, it's like a 3D dimension. See, like, and then it's like very, very soft, like really nice. It's like really good quality. It looks just so cool. I think this canvas here and the football one, I bought it for $30 each. And then the soccer and baseball, gosh, I don't remember, maybe $10 each? I don't know, something like that. So now moving on to his bed, and this is his bed. It's a twin size bed, and like I said again, we were going for that sports theme. So here I just have a little throw. I believe I bought the throw and the whole bedding set, either Ross or Burlington. These two that you see here, they did not come with the bedding sheets or anything like that, or the bedding set. I bought those Ross or Burlington, I can't remember, for $20 the set. And then over here we just have these gray curtains, and I thought it fit him perfectly just because he has this gray one here and then obviously this darker one over here. So I just thought it would just go like really nice with the room, and it'll just bring out the color even more. And then this, I just love the detail on it. Mind that, we're gonna cover that, but I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. So now moving on down here, I have this, which it's not going to stay. I had something else here, but I ended up moving it. I'll show you guys right now what I'm talking about. But this one, we're just gonna leave it here for now, just because I don't know what to put there yet. I obviously want something to put the lamp on. I bought the lamp at Didi's, I think, for $20. And then those chairs, I've been having them for the longest. I bought those at Home Goods when I used to work at Home Goods. But anyways, yeah, like I said, this is not gonna stay there. I just have it there for now, so that whenever they're gonna do their homework or anything like that, they can just do their homework on that little table. And as a matter of fact, that table is actually Alize's, but they ended up bringing it over here for some reason. And then here I have this little fur carpet. I thought it was so cute since it goes with Khloe's side of the bed and theme, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. I bought that little fur carpet, whatever you call it, at Ross for $20. Now I'm gonna show you guys Khloe's side of the bed. So let's start off up here with this frames. These frames are actually so freaking cute. I had something else up there. I had like a big old Paris canvas, but it was way too big that it did not look good, so I ended up returning it. So I ended up getting this ballerina 3 sets. I bought those at Home Goods. I bought them up at Home Goods. I think it was $30 for all 3 of them, but they're so freaking cute. I love how simple and cute they look, but then yet they still stand out. And then over here we have Khloe's, we have over here Khloe's bed. So this is hers. And see why I was going for that Paris thing, because since her sheets have Paris designs, and then her pillows, or her little pillows have a Paris, but like I said, I ended up taking it back. And then this one, it did not came with the set. I actually bought it by itself. Let me see, I might have the tags on it. Oh yeah, see this one, it was $10.99 and I bought it off on Burlington. So this is Khloe's bedding set, Paris. It's so cute. I don't know, I just really think it goes with this whole kind of thing, since it has gray and the pink on it. Obviously it's not the same theme, Paris and ballerina, but I don't know, I just thought it was really cute. So this is this one, and this one, her sheets or her bedding sets, I bought it off Burlington, I think it was. Okay, so now moving on to the curtains. These are the curtains. She has more of a lighter, you guys can really see it, but it's more of a lighter grayish and then white. So I ended up putting 2, and then 2 white curtains, and then obviously 2 gray curtains on the sides, which makes it look cute. And then down here we have this little stool for stool. We actually got this one 99 cents for $7.99, and I thought it was an amazing price, like a really good price, because I had seen it at Ross for $20, and I'm like, no, not 20. And it's exactly the same thing as this one, as the one that I bought at the 99-cent store. Actually, you know what, and the 99-cent store has been coming up with some great shit. Like, they've been having good things, and you will literally find the same things there cheaper as if you were to go to like Ross, GD's, or you know, those kind of stores. And you'll pay a lot less at 99 cents than obviously at those stores. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys go check it out. Check out your nearest 99-cent store, and maybe you'll find that there. And then now moving on to this side, this is Khloe's stuff. Like I said, I don't know how to approve of anything they have up there, but for now it's gonna stay. I'm still trying to find out what I can put there. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know. I really want to know what to put there. I don't know if I should put any more frames or a mirror. I have no idea. I feel like that over there, it's already enough, but then yet it's 2 different ends to the room, so maybe I will put a frame there. I don't know, a canvas, something like that. And then again, this one here, I bought it off Target for $120, like I said, and obviously we went for a white one since her theme was more of a lighter colors or solid colors. So yeah, this is where she has her stuff, and then here she just has like a little Starbucks thing, and this is when she won Princess, and then it has her name. Here she just has Snow White, and then over here again she has another trophy for best princess, and Ivan is upside down. There it goes. And then here she has her little things going on. Now over here, in here is their closet, which I am not going to show you guys yet, but that's their closet. That's what they have their like Khloe, her dresses, and you know, their jackets and their shoes and all that stuff. And then here we have this mirror, because Khloe loves to dress up and she loves to look at herself in the mirror every time she changes. So this is why she has this little mirror for her. So now moving on to this side, here is where they have their TV. So this one, this little thing, I actually had it over here, but I ended up moving it because the cable and all that stuff on this side of the room, so I had to move it. But anyways, I ended up getting this little cube thing at Target. I think it was $40, and then this ones were separate. There were either $10 each or $15 each. So I went for the gray one again. I felt like it would look perfect for either or bedding theme. It goes with Jayden's theme and it goes with Khloe's theme, just because they both have that gray on there. Now let me show you here. This is their baby album. I'll show you guys that one maybe in a different video, but this is her baby album, and shout out to my mom because she's always making our albums for our kids or babies, whatever. And this is Jayden's, but whatever. And then here we have her shoes, her very first shoes, I think. I honestly think there were other ones, but we can't find them. But anyways, yeah, they're supposed to be Converse, but they are like really, really old. But yeah, these are her first shoes. And then right here we just have their TV and the cable box. Over here we have Jayden's baby pictures, and again my mom made that one for him. And then here we have his Jordans, baby Jordans, his very first pair of shoes. And then here we have La Virgen de Guadalupe for them. This is not supposed to be here. I know that was Khloe. Here I'll show you guys what we have in here. They have nothing but books. They literally wake up every morning, especially Khloe, and starts reading out loud like crazy. She literally wakes up so early and starts reading her books, and we're asleep and I could hear her freaking reading her books. So yeah, that one has a lot of books. Here they just have a mess. They have, I don't know what the hell they have. They're both sharing this side. Here Khloe has her little kindergarten memory book, so she has pictures with her friends and of her. So yeah, she has a lot of shit in here. And then over here, Khloe again, she has all her ligas, or what do you call them, Melissa? Her scrunchies and all her bowls in here. So yeah, this is nothing but scrunchies, bowls, and a unicorn, which is not supposed to be there. But yeah, this is what she has. Now in back of the door, this is what we have, which we're gonna take off and put, I don't know, something else maybe, because now it's summer and it's hot as fuck. So we're gonna end up putting all those jackets away, their backpacks away, since school is almost over. I don't know what the heck we're gonna put there, but for now that's staying. And then up here we just have La Virgen again. I'm thinking of maybe moving it more towards the middle, because I kind of don't like it back there. But this is like a really, really nice Virgen. If you guys look at it and pay attention, you guys can see like all the pictures that it has. See, there she is again. And it's a really cool frame, because from far away you can't really tell as soon as what it is until you get like a close-up look. So yeah, now we're back again to the side of the bed, or the room. I keep saying bed, I don't know why. But hey guys, so this is Khloe's and Jayden's room tour. If you guys have any questions about any of the items, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. If you guys okay, wait, I forgot something. The beds. Where did I purchase the beds? I actually ended up purchasing the beds, or yeah, the twin beds, both of them, at the here in Bakersfield at the Swami. I don't remember how much I paid for each one. Was it 300 each or less? I don't know. I'm not too sure. I don't know if it was 300 each or 200 and something, about almost 300 each. Yeah, something like that. But anyways, yeah, I ended up buying their beds at the Swami, and they are really good quality. They're just perfect for the room, honestly. So yeah, anyways, like I said, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Khloe and Jayden were supposed to do the room tour, but they're both sick, and even Alize, so that's why I ended up doing it myself. Don't forget to give this video a
big thumbs up
and subscribe to our channel, or my channel. Yeah, so don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below if you guys have any questions. And then also I'm gonna be doing Alize's room tour as well, because her room literally changed so much, and I'm gonna have like a before and after. So stay tuned for that one. I'm also gonna be doing a living room and dining room tour, because I'm literally changing my whole house, so everything new. Don't forget to subscribe. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.